Imagine waiting years for Apple to finally release its first foldable iPhone, only to discover that the biggest surprise isn't the folding display, it's the price. Over the past few days, Apple has already increased the prices of several products, while the iPhone lineup has remained untouched. But according to industry experts, that may only be temporary. Behind the scenes, Apple is facing one of the biggest cost increases in years, and the company's most ambitious iPhone could launch at exactly the worst possible time. If current trends continue, Apple's first foldable may not just become the most innovative iPhone ever made, it could also become the most expensive iPhone in history. So what changed so suddenly? And why are analysts becoming increasingly confident that buyers could soon be paying far more than anyone expected? Let's break it all down.
The answer actually starts far away from smartphones. Right now, the world's biggest technology companies, including NVIDIA, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta, are investing hundreds of billions of dollars into artificial intelligence. Building powerful AI systems requires enormous data centers filled with high-performance processors and advanced memory chips. The problem is that these companies are competing for many of the same components that smartphone manufacturers rely on. As demand continues to explode, suppliers simply can't produce enough premium chips to satisfy everyone at once. When supply struggles to keep up with demand, prices begin climbing across the entire industry. What started as an AI boom has now become a supply chain problem affecting everything from laptops and tablets to smartphones. Apple has managed to shield customers from much of this pressure for months by absorbing higher manufacturing costs internally. That's one of the advantages of being one of the world's most profitable technology companies. But even Apple has limits. As component prices continue rising, maintaining the same pricing strategy becomes increasingly difficult. Recent price increases across several Apple products suggest the company is beginning to adjust to this new reality. While iPhones have avoided those increases so far, many analysts believe that delay won't last forever. Instead, Apple may simply be waiting for its next major launch before making significant pricing changes. That brings us to Apple's first foldable iPhone. Unlike many smartphone companies that rushed into foldable devices years ago, Apple has taken its time. Reports suggest the company has spent years refining display technology, hinge durability, battery efficiency, and software optimization before introducing its own version. If those reports are accurate, Apple's foldable could deliver one of the most polished experiences we've ever seen in this category. However, building a premium foldable requires some of the most advanced and most expensive components available today. Every major improvement comes with a higher manufacturing cost. Leaks suggest the device could feature Apple's next-generation processor, a large battery, premium OLED displays, an incredibly thin chassis, advanced cooling technology, more RAM than previous iPhones, and an all-new hinge system engineered for long-term durability. None of those components are inexpensive, especially during a period when memory prices and other critical parts continue rising worldwide. Even before supply chain challenges intensified, several analysts